According to Axios, Meta, Alphabet, and TikTok CEOs invited for Congress hearing. So furthermore from this story, the CEOs of Meta, Alphabet, TikTok, and Snap have been invited back to Capitol Hill for a broad oversight hearing in June. The U.S. military says it's redirected 75 vessels in the Hormuz
Good
Strait.
morning. Hello, everybody. FEMA, good morning. Samuel, good morning. Today's going to be a good day. Proverbs 3, 5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not into your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. Amen to that, brother. Trading pennies, good morning. Jamie, good morning. Nicholas, good morning. JR, good morning. 213, good morning. Alexander, market drop isn't funny. Yeah, we'll see if it keeps dropping today. It's Gail, good morning. Woke up surprised to see they really did bring it out into OPEX. Bring it down, yeah. I think technically Max Payne is like at least another 500 points down, but we'll see. That'd be 3.4% down if it does. Leptic Finance, good morning. Thank you, brother. Mike Miller, good morning. Islamo, good morning. Nice. Hello, good morning. NKH, good morning. 6'2", good morning. Anducci, good morning. Jetine, good evening. Nice swag shirt. Yeah, TPT send over some swag, so I was like, oh, I'll wear your guys' stuff if you want. I'm down to get some extra clothes. They sent me a hat, a golf shirt, and then a sweatshirt. Anto, good morning. Exaggerate. During Asia's session, I thought the pullback was over, so I longed and I'm still holding. Ooh. Yeah, that's tough. The only thing I think here that might, if you are long, that might give you a little bit of hope is this huge bullish order block. But that is really it. It's going to be opening pretty much right next to it. Or like right, you know, it's It's coming in before the open right on top. Technically, I'd already tested too, so it's possible this is just downside. First target would be 28,700 approximately. Anto, good morning. Hopefully Leo's feeling better. Yeah, we'll see. Pop onto the Discord. There we go.
At 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time, we have US industrial production month-on-month forecast 0.3%, prior minus 0.5%. US capacity utilization forecast 75.8%, prior 75.7%. US manufacturing output month-on-month forecast 0.2%, prior minus 0.1%. And US industrial production year-on-year, prior 0.74%.
Yeah, you're long at 140, not Phil. Yeah, that would have been a nice 60 points. Missed you by 3 ticks. 6'2", not workout friendly. Hey, we'll still work out in it. Yulette, good morning. Oil looking like a head and shoulders on the hourly. Really? I don't know, man. I don't see any head and shoulders. I guess you're talking about on like the 5 or 15-minute time frame. Maybe. The only thing is it's been holding this uptrend. And then also this uptrend here. Czar Trader, good morning. Chris, what indicator do you use to see bullish bearish order blocks? It's just called order blocks, the indicator. Hugo, good morning. Killer Slug, good morning. You're looking to short. Oh. Let's see. 1 hour as your high time frame. Now all moving averages have 920 down in the 50 flat. We're looking to short about the London low. Where would the London low be?
So reminder in 5 minutes time, we're expecting US industrial production month-on-month forecast 0.3%, prior minus 0.5%. US capacity
short at like
utilization
190?
forecast 75.8%, prior 75.7%. US manufacturing output month-on-month forecast 0.2%, prior minus 0.1%. And US industrial production year-on-year, prior 0.74%.
Lynette, happy Friday. Killer Slug. Unlikely this resolves quickly. We could have a sustained drop for a week. That's what I'm hoping for. Samuel Pasha, the Asia orb did reverse last night, but after the reverse, it went to TPA. Would that be considered a fail or reverse success? I haven't been tracking the reversals, but I would say that's a reverse success for sure. But I just don't have the stats to show whether or not it's profitable to trade an orb flip for Asia. During New York session, an orb flip is 70% win rate. I don't have a bias for the NASDAQ right now. Nice polo. Bonds are really bad. Yeah, I saw this morning bonds went down quite heavily. Down over 1% for long-term treasuries. Trump has you scared to short, one tweet and bam. I mean, that's fair too. This right here is the support level. This big old order block. After that, it's like 28,700. So like if it breaks below 28,900, I think we can target 200 more points down. Markets are panicking in Asia due to the rates, 27-year high for Japanese bonds. Oh. Interesting. I wonder what happened when that was a thing. Trading pennies, interest rates dictate like everything, bro. It dictates more than just consumer credit. Interest rates on bonds are a pretty big deal. Yeah.
1 minute remaining.
Killer
I'll
slug
be leading with
hit the
US
nail on
industrial
the head there.
production month on month.
Is that a custom made shirt? I don't know. They emailed me and they were like, "Hey, do you want some swag?" I was like, "Sure." And they sent this stuff over. So I don't know if they like sell it on a store or something. You think the first target is around 27K for the coming days? Okay. Market could use a healthy pullback, not mad at it. Yeah, true.
10 seconds.
Drifto Monkey, good morning. Into Oil, good morning.
Still waiting on the data. 0.7%, 0.7%, higher than forecast at 0.3%. US industrial production month on month, 0.7%. Excuse me, US capacity utilization, 76.1%, 76.1%, higher than forecast at 75.8%. US manufacturing output month on month, 0.6%, 0.6%, higher than forecast at 0.2%. Team prior advised for US industrial production month on month, minus 0.3%, minus 0.3% compared to the original
Good
prior
morning.
of minus 0.5%.
Oh, Leo, what's up, bro?
What's up, brother?
Did you just say you're in the long?
Oh, sorry, I missed what you just said.
Oh, never mind, never mind. I thought you popped in and said I'm in the long.
Oh,
Never
no,
mind.
no. It's good morning. Just
Gotcha. You feel like the bulls are waking up? Maybe. Maybe they'll be slow.
We
We'll
have posted
see.
the industrial
I just
production
took a
and
short
capacity
here
utilization April 2026
because
report
it's
on
been
the feed for
rejecting the
those
9
interested.
EMA on the 5. Looking for a lower leg down. It could pop up though. We'll see. Who knows? Maybe we saw the top for the coming 5 to 6 years yesterday. That's possible too. It sounds crazy, but like it actually is possible. You get multiple years of dip buying and it keeps pulling back or staying sideways or whatever. Nav Trader, good morning. I hope you finally
morning,
decided
everyone.
to get sponsored, get that money, man. It's your future and your bills, not the viewers. Well, I've been affiliated with Take Profit Trader for a while. They just sent over some affiliated clothing, so I thought I might as well
Oh,
wear
nice.
the golf shirt.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay, I got stepped out. To be honest, we might be able to take some good longs here now. There's the 21. I think I'm going to long on the 9 EMA retest. Looking pretty strong. I'm forcing my order. Feel like we could take like 60 points on this long. I'm just starting at 40. So good morning. Madik, hello. Dima, good morning. Nicholas. Anyone at their office job trading right now? Oh man. NASDAQ will climb like crazy. We're in the golden age. The whole world envied us. Heard it in the news. Must be true. Intraday we could pump. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see.
Oh, gold is on a full downtrend.
Yeah.
I'm just seeing here US industrial production year on year, 1.35%, 1.35%.
So somebody was talking about Max Payne yesterday. And about OPEX today. I'm just checking Max Payne again. And Max Payne is actually like 2,500 points down. Or like another 2,000 points from where the market is right now. So that's probably not going to happen. Unless it's going to be like a Black Friday deal where the market dumps like 10% or 8% or whatever today. But Max Payne is like way, way below for anybody that was talking about that yesterday. Until we get like back down, you know, until we drop like 2,000 points, like really soon, we're still in squeeze territory. Options are like way super shifted toward calls. Yeah, JR, true. But yeah, not on the NDX, max pain is 26,700. So that's a 2,500 point drop. And we've dropped about 500 points overnight. So about 2K to go if it were to actually meet that area. FEMA, hello. Relative to the higher time frame swing points, we have just crossed into the discount zone. Okay. Market momentum shows extreme greed still. Yep. The put to call ratio and market momentum, I think, are both extreme greed. Let's double check it. Yeah, we're at greed right now. Market momentum, extreme greed. Wow, put to call options, the lowest we've seen since December. Dang. I really thought we'd get like a spike or something. Nothing at all. More calls being bought. Leo, you ready to make some big money today?
I hope so. I hope so. I'm ready.
We're gonna pass some evals today, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll try to pass a 50K, and I have to trade the 150K on take profit traders.
Nice.
Brother, yeah. Uh, my voice it's a little bit gone.
Long Gone Johnson.
Yeah, it's a little bit long on Johnson. Good morning, everyone on the chat. Thank you, Sean. Good morning, Yuri.
Here we go, the Long Gone Johnson. I feel like I should take it up higher. I'm gonna try to take like 50 points on this.
Yeah, Tom Black, need more coffee. Bro, like the range is big right now. Like a little movement, almost 50 points already.
Yeah.
The range is big, man.
Well, my 40 points would have hit. Hopefully, I don't regret setting it to 50 points for profit target.
Bro, I would take it out at 45 right now. Not trying to jinx her trade, but
Oh, 45. Why?
yeah, that's exactly where there's a 50 EMA there that I use, and usually
Oh, okay.
it is exactly at 45.
Okay. So I'm thinking we push up to like 280, 290.
Yeah, it's very much possible. The only problem is that like your stop is at break even, and if it bounces, you're going to be out of break even, you know? Not break even, 10 points, I think.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oil's popping here too. Should have kept my bracket. Nice.
Cool.
That works for me. Not bad. That pullback almost got me though. That was a fast pullback of 20 points. Okay, we got 1.5 minutes left till open. I'm gonna wait now, because I'm not too sure what this is going to do. I'm assuming it's gonna reject a 290, 280. And continue the downtrend, but we're about to open, so it may just full trend reverse or squeeze some levels.
One minute remaining for the market on open imbalance.
Oh, and we're up exactly 5K right now across the accounts.
Awesome.
So that's
Awesome.
already daily profit target.
That is awesome. Some of them is already funded, isn't it? Or no?
No. The
Oh, you're
TPTs
very close.
are close to passing, yeah. Okay, we got 55% thinking we're going up, 45% thinking we're going down.
10
So
seconds.
pretty close. A little more bullish in the chat.
Market on open imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 227 million.
Oof.
NASDAQ 100 buy side
Just past the nibble.
297 million.
Nice.
Dow 30 buy side 77 million. Mag 7 buy side 186 million. US stocks
Swooped.
extend
Nice
full.
job,
The
man.
NASDAQ down 1.42%.
Nat, am I bearish today? I'm going to try to not have a bias.
Microsoft shares up 1.2%, off the back of Bill Ackman saying they will disclose a new position in the company later on Friday.
I think we can get a push up to 29,500 if we decide to hold this bullish 4-hour
Philadelphia Semiconductor Index falls
order block.
3.6%, the most since March.
So that'd be a bullish orb and everything. We could also come down and break through this 4-hour order block and go to 28,700. So I guess kind of stay neutral. I think whatever way it goes, we'll be able to catch a lot of points. But that was perfect rejection at 290. That's kind of what I was thinking with that little bearish order block up there. It was like perfect rejection. Man, that was a 90-point drop, bro. If it wasn't the open, I would have shorted at 290, but It's like I felt like it was risky with the open coming in. That was crazy perfect rejection. Kyo, what's up, man? Josh trades. How long do you trade before New York Open, Pasha? How are you up 5K already? I think it was like $220 per account I made last night. I took a short on some rejection
Trump 2 Fox
and just
says
took like
didn't underestimate anything on Iran.
115 points or something.
Nvidia shares fall 3.6% at the open, the biggest drop since April 30th. And Fox News airs clip of Trump interview.
This morning I took a failed scalp to the short side and then took a long. The failed scalp lost 25 points. The win won us 52 points or something. Yes, breaking down. Guys, is it finally time to dump this market? Has the time come? This will be glorious, man. Honestly, let's dump the market 2,000 points today. I'm ready for it. Bearish orb TP5 plus today. Dude, that'd be crazy. I mean, if it does happen, I think I'm psychologically ready for it. The unfortunate thing is I don't have any funded accounts to really take advantage of it, so it happens, I guess. If it happens, it happens. I do have some short exposure on my cash account.
Ford shares dropped 5% in the biggest fall since April 30th.
It's overdue. Bad CPI, PPI. Trip to China, didn't even discuss chips. War still ongoing. Why not dump it? Yeah, true. I mean, there's a lot of good reasons to dump it for sure. Let me check Schiller PE ratio real quick. Yeah, as of yesterday, the Schiller PE ratio is pretty much exactly the same that it was during the dot-com bubble. It's kind of crazy. Like people that think that valuations don't matter anymore are thinking that like PE, the Schiller PE kind of adjusts for growth and all of that. And it's at the .com bubble levels. It's like 5% below. So like we're going to probably see a huge dump. It's just like, man, like from one side I'm on the fundamental investing side and I see those stats and I'm like, dude, we're gonna crash. Like, this is a straight up bubble, we're gonna crash. But then I look from like the day trading side and like looking at stuff people post where they're like, oh, this move doesn't even have that much momentum compared to post COVID and all those things. But the crazy thing is, like, we're like legitimately, like, valuations are more important than momentum in the long term. So, like, yeah, we're having all this momentum, but like valuations are kind of important, especially when we're at legitimately .com bubble levels. If we were like slightly overvalued, then you could be like, okay, market momentum's going to continue
China's Ministry
forever.
of Commerce met with Qualcomm president.
But the thing is, we're like .com bubble levels and momentum. Like, it's been parabolic. And I wouldn't be surprised if it's not over yet. Like, we might still see 30K on the NASDAQ.
The Philadelphia
We might even see
Semiconductor Index
35K on
falls
the NASDAQ.
3.9%.
You might see the one big final short squeeze to the upside, and then it doesn't see that upside for like 5 years, like somebody was saying in chat. At TPT, you can withdraw the gains every day. Yes,
Furthermore,
sir.
from the Ministry of Commerce, China's Commerce Minister met with Visa CEO.
Market can remain illogical longer than you can remain solvent. 100% true. But if you have like a rubber band and I were to be stretching it out, at some point you start seeing like the rubber band about to break. And we're like betting money on how far it can stretch. Like, why would you be, if you're seeing it's like at its almost absolute max, why would you keep betting money that it's not going to break? Problem is earnings multiples aren't even that high in comparison. Everett, like I'm telling you, the multiples are that high. It's the same. It's literally the same as the peak of the .com bubble. Look at the Schiller PE ratio. That accounts for growth. We're at .com bubble levels. Look at the stock market to GDP ratio. It's also called the Warren Buffett indicator. That Revenant saying pretty good analogy, Pasha. Yeah, if you look at the let me just show it real quick. While we wait for this 15-minute orb. Here, I'll show you a quick pick. So look at this. Warren Buffett indicator. This is going back to the 50s. Stock market to GDP ratio. This was December 2025 right here. So it's probably way higher now. So look, .com bubble came up to the second standard deviation of the historical mean. We are the COVID the COVID top was at the second standard deviation. It didn't even fall to the historical mean. And then December, end of this year, it actually went above the second standard deviation. We might be like up here. Like we're like up, way up. So that's kind of the rubber band that I'm talking about. If you like start getting up in these levels, like there's just a matter of time until you snap back or break. Bro, where'd you get the TPT shirt? They sent it to me. Yeah, I think honestly, like Michael Burry and maybe some other bears in the market, they were looking at the levels like before COVID happened. You know, like a year or 2 years after COVID happened recently. And they're looking at the fundamentals, and like that's kind of probably what they're looking at. Is like, dude, this actually can't stay up that much longer. Like the only way that it actually stays up is the crash of the dollar. That's like the only way. Yeah, no problem, John. No gold standard anymore. Does the Warren Buffett indicator matter anymore? I mean, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Look at the chart. Look at the chart, see what you think. Look at the Shiller PE ratio, see what you think. That's all it is. Because the thing is, like, during every bubble, people say the exact same thing. They'll say, like, you know, this doesn't matter, that doesn't matter, it's a new age. Whatever they end up saying. And then the market crashes, and then they're like, oh, I guess it did matter, you know? Okay, ES is getting the break to the downside. NASDAQ's still holding a little bit. Unlimited debt. I get, well, yeah, unlimited debt would pretty much cause a dollar crash if it's not controlled well. Okay, that's 5-minute candle close. Failed to close below on the NASDAQ, but on the ES it closed. Do we take a discretionary early short here? Taking a discretionary early short. I set my stop at the top of that green candle. TP1 is 29081. Let's see what's her range. 140 points. Okay, perfect range too. We are now testing that 4-hour bullish order block. It's the only thing I'm sketched out about for shorting this, is this order block was set on the 4-hour time frame, but it technically tested already. So I don't know if this is going to go full inverse of this block. Then technically, like, we'd probably have a free fall to 28,700 if this block doesn't play at all. I don't know if it'll play, but like I said, if it's not in play, we're probably falling to like 28,700. And that would be a negative 1K day. Anyways, this is about to hit TP1. Dude, like, do I just hold this? Kind of crazy, man. Uh-oh. Make sure that bounce doesn't stop me out. Okay, 2 minutes till this candle closes. Oh no, it's bouncing above. Uh-oh. I'm not seeing any big buy
Spot
orders
gold
here, but
falls
this
nearly
thing
3%.
just jumped like crazy.
Yeah, this is looking like it's trapping sellers.
Yeah. Well, let's see. Dude, I didn't see any big buy orders on that, or hear any big buy orders. Those small buy orders.
Yeah, NQ is more aggressive.
Oh yeah. Okay, medium buy
UK
orders now.
30-year yield climbs 20 basis points to 5.86%, the highest since 1998.
Man, I guess we can see that the 4-hour order block's still in play. On the ES, it got over halfway through. So the ES didn't hold it as strong.
Treasury 20-year yields rise 10 basis points on the day.
$30 seconds left. Well, no 5-minute candle close on the NASDAQ below.
I guess yes also.
No, ES got the 5-minute close, right?
No. Like this is the candle that starts the orb.
Wait, did I? Oh, bro, I totally didn't realize that. Whoops. Dude, I thought it was 5 minutes ahead. My bad. That was a bad entry, guys. I thought we had another 5-minute candle. Crud. I was shorting on like during the orb being set still. Oh wait,
Maybe
no,
can
I
work.
didn't actually. Never mind. But yeah, the ES failed to close below. Yeah, you're right. Never mind. Okay, I remember what I was doing. Yeah, it was discretionary early entry.
Yeah, you
On the
entered like
4th
early.
candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah. For some reason, I thought the ES closed below, but never mind. That doesn't make sense. Well, missed my stop by 5 points. Coming back down. Is it going to save Papa? Perfect 21 EMA rejection on the ES. We have the chance to like close break even here. Do we actually take that chance? Not gonna take the chance. Be right back. Huh. Guys, that was a really bad entry. Unfortunately, it missed my exit by 8 points. That's exactly what I was saying. It. I'm kind of sketched out shorting it because of that 4-hour block. Still has buyers there. Technically a 5-minute bearish order block created on the ES, and it's about to test.
Stop filled.
See if there's anything else. There's a 15-minute one up here. "30 seconds. There's a 1-minute one here. I'm going to take a small short here. Very tight risk, just in case this goes back to the bottom of the range. And rejects on the ES here. Big buying volume though on the previous two 5-minute candles. Okay, I'm getting ready for this to be bullish, guys. There's a lot of obstacles to the upside. I'm getting ready for this to be bullish. Potentially running to 29,500, I think. Just gotta be careful not to get faked out to the long, but I'm hoping if this does end up being bearish on the day that it just rejects this opening high. Let me get back down. That gave me 48 points. I'm looking for 63 points. There we go. Let's see if that 1 minute bullish order block holds. My ideal exit would have been at like 138. I took the safer exit at 201. Clay, I have a video explaining the 15-minute orb. If you want to watch it. Okay, final minute. See if this 5-minute candle closes below. Okay, that's a
The
5-minute
European
close
utility
below.
stock basket down 3%.
5-minute close below. We need the entry. Give us the entry, please. Dang it, give the entry for like a split second, man.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in. This could also be just a range too, guys. It could go sideways and the orb just fails. Just be aware of that. Okay. I think I'm gonna go for the full orb range as my stop. It's pretty sketchy because if it just sweeps, we lose 140 points.
According to Xinhua, President Xi to visit the US in autumn.
Yeah, I'm waiting, man. This is too sideways.
I'm hoping it rejects right here at 220. Sounds good, Axel. Yes, I'm in a short right now, guys.
Seems like he wants to go down now.
According to Xinhua, China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi, on ties with the US, says teams on two sides are still working on details for outcomes on trade.
Oil kind of looks like it wants to break out higher. Let's get in buyers here. TP2 would be at 29.010. That'd be all the way below this 4-hour block.
And China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi calls for the reopening of the Strait of
Got the
Hormuz
feeling
as soon
that
as
some
possible.
type of news is about to come out, man.
Potentially, yeah.
According to Xinhua, China and US agree trade and investment councils.
Yeah, we
This is
definitely see
too, like,
29.150.
It's
Strong buyer
struggling
support.
too much. Like, it's struggling too much.
Okay, oil just rejected a bit. You're talking about struggling too much to go down?
To go anywhere,
Oh,
to create a trend, you know? Either
yeah.
to the downside or to the upside.
And furthermore, from Xinhua, China and the US promote the expansion of two-way trade.
Highest volume this week. It's an interesting open, man. Huge volatility right now, just sitting here.
Yeah.
Just like got stuck.
Yeah, bro, for this day to become a full-blown bullish trend, it's like It doesn't need much.
So a bit furthermore from China's
true.
Foreign Minister Wang Yi saying agreed to promote the expansion of two-way trade under the framework of reciprocal tariff reductions. And China says
Yeah.
Taiwan is the most important issue in Sino-US relations.
With the limited amount of backtesting I have for the full range orb, it's 85% win rate to TP1 with the full range stop. Gonna take one more contract at 220.
Order filled.
Okay. So I'm risking about $400, I think. Half orb failed. Yeah, I was saying like be careful because it went the full range before closing the candle, so just expect it. Expect it to fail the half range orb. Like your decision basically has to be: are you going to take the full range stop loss or not? You know, if not, then maybe today's not the day to play the orb for you. Or you just play the range within here. It's definitely looking like bottomed out though. Made a low, higher low, pushing up. Could be a matter of time before it just breaks out to the upside.
Yeah, like this looks like a bottom, 100%.
Yeah.
Like the problem is that we went down 2 times already and we were not able to continue, you know? So I would guess like the like what looks to me that is the bearish movement is stronger. Anytime it goes down, it's heavier than when it tries to go up.
Yeah, I mean,
So like
it
that
came
would be
down
a
to a
good sign
strong
for the bearish.
support.
Yeah.
Yeah. The bears are trying to take lower, but there's like still that strong support at the 29,100, 29,150. But I think it's not that strong. Because it's just like, it's literally just a low that was set on Wednesday. See what happens here, though. We're still in a downtrend, guys. We're still in a downtrend right now from last night. Pretty sustained downtrend. It looks like if you look on the hourly, it's rejecting the 9 EMA on these hourly pushes. So, there's a bearish order block here on the hourly. So you're looking for a rejection of that like 280 level. My stop is like slightly above that 9 EMA, I guess. But that's pretty much where the top of the range is right now. Making the push. Gonna add one more in case it rejects straight up here. Looks like it's just gonna blast through, but
Yeah, oil switched.
did it? Oh yeah, coming down a bit.
Stop fill.
Okay, that stopped me out.
Stop filled.
Alright, let's see if we get the 5-minute close above. It could just go sideways too.
Yeah, man,
Could
I
fake to
didn't
the
do
upside
much.
now as well.
I didn't do much because like I spotted this range early on, and I was like, I'm not trusting this.
Yeah,
But I took some scalps, like range trading scalps.
nice. I think if it can hold up here, like I was saying, like I think we could long possibly to 29,500. So there's the
Yeah,
5-minute
like
candle close.
the next step is like break view up, retest, then I'm going long
Okay.
basically. But I need to see like S&P going as well.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay, guys, the orb failed today. So this is technically an orb flip, which has approximately the same win rate. It does look like it broke out of the range. $291.
Trump 2 Fox on Taiwan says if keep it is as is, China's okay with it. So again, Trump 2 Fox on Taiwan says if keep it as is, China is okay with it. Trump 2 Fox says US policy in Taiwan has not changed. Trump 2 Fox on Taiwan says I want China to cool down.
Soxel's ripping, we're going up. Yeah. We are now running to the upside. Looks like it's not going to play the range anymore.
Trump on Taiwan
Unless this
says
is
not
just a
looking to
prolonged
travel
fake out.
9,500 miles to fight a war.
Okay.
And Trump to Fox discourages Taiwan going interdependent. So Fox posts a transcript of Trump's interview with Brett Baer.
Okay, that just hit TP1. Why not target London highs? What would London high be? 470? Or would that be 370?
Trump to Fox says Taiwan should feel neutral after my meeting with President Xi.
Okay, the ES just now closed a 5-minute candle above. Yeah, I think I need to force the add. Set a pretty tight stop on this.
Yeah, 409 is my target on my
Okay.
long.
I'll take it there with you as well.
There's a 200 EMA on the 5 in the middle of the road, but I think it's strong enough to push through.
Yeah. Just
It will
broke
be
London high, I
liquidity.
guess.
Yeah, it's rejecting there. Don't like to see oil bouncing again.
Oh, yeah. I thought oil's about to break through. TP2's 431. I think that's where I'll take my final. Actually, no. I'll hold the runner. I'll hold the runner. Man.
I said I took something out of on the 200, and I'm going to see if it goes through.
Okay.
Needs to
200
push
to
above
380.
385. 385.
Okay.
But like if the buyers are aggressive enough, everyone that's trying to short around the 200 will become like liquidity for the buyers to sweep, you know?
Okay.
So at some point if it's going up, they're going to run through it, you know?
That was the test and bounce of the 1 minute bullish order block. Got a bounce
Oh,
of 30 points.
oh yeah, Tracy on like, but NQ didn't close below as well. But like I guess at the moment Pasha did like a discretionary trading to the downside. That's why he got in. Like at that time.
The ES got a 5 minute close above though. Trace on.
I think he's talking about like the downside, that's short. But I remember that like you
Oh.
took like an early entry,
Yeah.
like the discretionary. Yeah, he talked about I'm going to do an early entry. I
Yeah, and
guess
then it
like
got the
I
5 minute
remember.
close, but it was a kind of a fake out, I guess.
Yeah, but like whatever, like was like the trade didn't work out, so whatever it was no bueno. I tried to take a short too, but like I got out because of the 1 minute. Like I got out quick.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out. There it is. Trace on candle body, not wick. So look, bro. ES, candle body closed above. ES, below did not close. NASDAQ, first one did not close below. Second one did. Candle body. I'm not talking about the wick, bro. Okay, I'm gonna re-long at 265-ish. If it does pop back down there.
But I understand like the problem of using ES or NQ because sometimes it's so disconnected that if you wait for one as a indicator, like you miss the trade, man. You just miss the trade, you know?
Yeah. Trace on, maybe it's on minis that it didn't close, but on micros, look, the body closed above the opening range. You see it? I don't know, maybe ES didn't. MES did. Only ES? Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I do the same. I watch NQ instead of MNQ.
I bro rejected that 200 on the dot, bro.
Yeah.
No bueno. But my target is still like to me, in my opinion, like the NQ broke up. It's like a triple bottom almost. And I guess this is just a pullback. But I'm going to wait for rejection out of the EMAs or
Yeah, I want this to pull back, get me in long, baby.
yeah, one thing that I watch as well, like is the initial 1 hour balance, like the initial 1 hour range. And usually if you retrace back to the 50% of it, sometimes it gets good entries. So maybe that's a good way to do it as well.
Yeah.
Energy Secretary Wright says US could easily double natural gas exports with no impact on domestic prices.
I'm gonna do an early entry with 1 micro at 292. Actually 291. Then I double or triple up 265. Maybe 265 is not the ideal entry. I think it's gonna be 251.
But like the range, brother, my voice is gone. The range today, it's good for like quick scalps because it's moving 15, 20 points without effort as well.
Yeah.
Order
Okay,
filled.
there's my starter position. It's about to be IFVG on the 5.
Yeah, crazy, isn't it?
So there's, I guess it didn't hit 265 yet. Get me in at 251, come on. And then
Yeah, I got
bounce.
along at 269, bro.
Dang it. Yeah, right on the 5
90
minute,
MA,
90 MA.
brother.
Yeah.
The 90 MA, brother.
I was hoping it would go to the 21.
Yeah, I was going to scale in like one at the 9, one at the 21.
Yeah. See if it gets it.
Conrad, that's pretty cool.
Got 3,400 on NDX call sold at the top. 1 minute RSI got high. Nice, man.
Yeah, overall, my bias like for the short term trading is it's to the long side, you know. So
Yeah.
no shorts anymore for me. So
Come on, get back, get down to 251.
Justin backing shorts on the ES. Bro, be careful with shorts right now. Uh, You think we bullish overall, but think they will cook longs again? Yeah, depending on from where to where you taking the shorts, guess it could work, but don't use a big stop loss.
Come on, give me one nice pullback.
Okay.
It's rejecting the 1 minute moving averages a little bit, possibly making a little bear flag on it.
US Energy Secretary Chris Wright says the US will replenish every barrel of oil it releases from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, speaking at an event in Texas.
Yeah, this right here looks to me like the spot to enter.
Yeah, that high or low.
The range is so good today, because like if it goes for another high, it's already like almost 100 points, you know?
Yeah, true.
So
I'm really hoping it just breaks the 90 MA, gets me the entry at 21. It might not do it.
51?
Yeah. It looks like it wants to.
In my opinion, there's a good chance that it starts going up from here.
Yeah, I'm about to force this trade.
It's just a matter of waiting this 5-minute close.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna force the fill.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm long.
Like, if you look at the 5, this
Mhm.
right now is like book perfect price action. Like
Yep.
it broke up, pulled back, and now it's engulfing to the upside. So textbook good long entry right now. So let's see what NQ has in store for us.
Are you still targeting 409?
Yeah, like 409 is the next immediate target, but after that is, let me see. 498, so 500.
Okay. Yeah, my first one I'm gonna take it at 406, and then next one 495.
Yeah, so like depending of like this 5-minute candle right now should close a big green candle.
Yeah.
That's what it should do. Like, so let's see. Because overall, like the 100% that before New York session we were going down,
Mhm.
but right now, in my opinion, we're doing higher lows and higher highs for a while now. So, in my opinion, the market structure shift to the upside.
Yeah, I
So,
honestly think
that,
that on the hourly, that 29,500
Microsoft hit session
is
high
like the perfect spot
2.8% as Ackman
to bring
builds
the
a new
price up
stake.
before sellers come back in.
oh yeah, if it's going to do like a lower high on the 1 hour,
Yeah.
it's around 500. 100%, I agree with that. The only problem is that like the range is big and the stops are big also. Like
Yep.
all the trades that I took, the minimum stop was 50 points, man. All of them. And it's not normal. Like this couple of days is like 25, 30
Yeah,
at
true.
max.
Yeah, I was successful taking some trades with a 25-point stop, 40-point take profit with those bracket orders. But it's you kind of have to like have pinpoint entries.
Yeah.
Like this 1 minute bullish order block right here that created, it just got 40 points.
Oh,
And
yeah.
it only got 14 points stop loss or drawdown. Like order blocks and all that kind of stuff is just, man, it's so good, bro.
Yeah, I like that too. On the 1 minute, there was a beautiful long on that push down out of the
Yeah.
1 minute order block. Like, and that's the thing. You can wait to see if it's going to respect or not.
Yeah,
Like
true.
on the
True.
especially on the 1 minute, you can wait like for a candle to go there, reject, see if another one rejects out of it, and then you go long, because then you understand that that level is getting respected. You know?
Honestly, I think that's a good idea for like holding for a lot of points, but for scalping, I think you go straight for the first test,
Oh yeah,
especially
like
when it's
hey,
a very small risk like this 1 minute order block. It's 17-point risk if you enter at the top.
yeah, yeah. If you're going for scalps, you can enter at the touch. You know?
Because I've been noticing just since like doing these order blocks and whatnot, the initial touch, like right here, we touched the bearish order block. The initial touch usually gets you the move. So right here, it just touched the bearish order block, and it just got 10 points, 15 points. Like you see that? It's like the
Oh yeah.
initial touch, and now it's like if it wants to, and that was a counter trend play too. Now there's bullish order block out 330 top. And like the stop on this bearish one is 7 points. It's got from the initial entry, it got 20. Let's see what happens here. So 330.75 is the top. So tapping through, it broke through slightly there. So you would have lost 10 points. Just if you held your stop loss like super disciplined. Let's see if we can break out of this wedge to the upside. Oil's kind of breaking out. Not too great. That's not the best. Oil looks very bullish over the past 24 hours. And then on the hourly, huge uptrend over the past 2 weeks. Well, it looks like the NASDAQ wants to push even though oil's pushing. Medium sellers on ES here. Uh-oh. I just realized my my second edition didn't fill. Gonna have to re-add. Let's go on.
Order filled.
Yeah, the Apex accounts are having issues.
Order filled. Order filled.
A little bit of sideways action still. And
Yeah,
oil
man.
pushed up quite a strong.
Yeah, this is strange.
I think it's kind of bullish since oil's pushing and we're not getting hard rejection on the ES or the NASDAQ. So whenever the oil rejection comes, this blasts through. I think that's a good sign that it's holding.
Mm-hmm. I
'Cause,
agree with that.
yeah, look at like oil pushed up quite a bit since open. Now it's making another push, but oil pushed up quite a bit since open, but we're making higher lows. As long as oil doesn't just skyrocket through like 105, I think we're good. It's kind of pushing now. Just broke the previous high. That was 9 EMA retest again. Might go for the 21 right now. Starting to look sketchy.
Yeah, like the lack of continuation is sketchy.
Yeah.
Like it's actually a lower high on the 5-minute now.
Yeah, true. I guess it was a little kind of ascending wedge looking thing. Maybe.
Yeah, but there's buyers
Triangle
too.
thing. $21 AMA tested on ES. I got my stop like right below the 21 right now. I'm gonna double up on the 21 EMA just for a scalp. Sort of a scalp, 50-point scalp. Oil making the next push. Let's hope it holds this 5-minute bullish order block. It's a really big one. So even if it taps in there, I get stopped out. Hold.
Stop filled.
Yep, stopped out. Okay. On the evals, or on the apexes, that hit my trailing drawdown pretty hard. On the TPTs, we're still, like, really good, but it's a little unfortunate on that stop. There's the 1-minute bullish order block. Okay.
Order filled.
Taking the final long here. This is the final trade for me for the day. There's a 1-minute bullish order block. That's pretty much like the last resort for holding. It didn't test it yet. I think it might just test it right now. But this will be the final. Now I'll have to stop myself out for the day. Damn, my stop is actually pretty wide because that was a big bounce. Would be better if I just had my stop down at that spot. Oh well. Okay. We'll do that, I think.
Order filled.
Okay, that's some apexes getting blown right there. Yeah, like I said, the apexes got hit pretty hard with the trailing drawdown. But I mostly care about the TPT accounts. I think if you were to go like super small risk and you were to long here, your technical stop loss would want to be at like 140. That's a 100-point drawdown, or that's a 100-point stop loss. Then you're targeting like 100 points to the upside. Let them finish the down first, Pasha. Yeah, kind of re-entered a little too quick. Let's see. It just tapped the 1 minute bullish order block. This is what I was looking at here. Dang, this was the ideal entry, brother.
Yeah, I'm long 268 right now.
Nice. Yeah, dude, before, remember I was telling you the long spot before? Like, now it came down to enter it, bro. I guess I should have been patient for the entry from earlier, because I entered, like, kind of up there. But, you know, it looked like it was going to be just squeezing to the upside. So I was like, it's probably not going to go down to test, but it actually did test it. And on the 1 minute one, which was like where I was saying the strongest one, it literally tapped in one tick into it. Or 3 ticks into it and then blasted off. That's already 60 points from that spot, which is crazy.
Yeah, like I waited for the pullback, to be honest. I got out like with 50 points now.
Nice. Yeah, I'm still targeting 406. I think actually this trade will pass all the TPTs.
Yeah,
It hits
let's go.
406.
Yeah, I'm closing out the Apex for the day, past 150k, and I'm 340 bucks up in HPA.
Nice. Let's hope this doesn't continue the downtrend from last night. It was perfect rejection of the VWAP. We needed to blast through that. Bro, like, that was such a perfect tap-in, too. Perfect tap-in for 80 points long, man.
Yeah, man, I gotta wait for the pullbacks, man. Like, one of
Yeah.
the things that I was making mistakes is like feeling like I'm going to miss out on the trade and jump in on the highest point possible. Now I'm like, I'm waiting for the pullback. Like, if I miss the trade, that's good, but I cannot be, like, especially on intraday accounts,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
cannot be giving drawdown back, you know? Like, you gotta enter the best possible place, you know?
That's 100% right there. Nice rejection on oil. Oh, dang. 4 of the TPTs actually got the position closed out. Dang it, dude.
Ooh.
That sucks. So I didn't catch it on 4 of them, only 1 of them. And then we have 10 apexes that are long. Okay. That's unfortunate. Oh well. So if this pushes up, we'll get one TPT to the funded stage. I mean, I guess I could try to enter another order. 275.
Order filled.
Okay. Got the order in now, I think. Yes. Need this thing to blast out. Oil's kind of holding again. It's looking like it wants to go for
Yes.
another push.
Yeah. Like we're trading inside the range of New York Open as well, like again.
Yeah. This 21 EMA needs to hold. Higher low on the 1 minute. Can we actually blast out? Seller's still trying to bring it down. Sellers incoming. Maybe no good. Let's see. Seller's kind of in control right now. If this ends up making just like a big old bear flag or bull flag, and it just sweeps this low and then breaks out, it'll be quite unfortunate.
Yeah, this is lower highs and lower lows right now.
Yeah. Looks like it wants to sweep that low, then I'll get stopped out.
Shares of US software companies advance. Adobe up 3.2%, Workday up 3.9%, and Salesforce up 3.5%.
Dude, I need to have 250 hold here, guys. I'm on the edge of my seat. Looks kind of bad. Sellers keep in control of it. Dude, if buyers can push it through here, we squeeze to the upside. If buyers can push it through. Seems like they're losing the battle though. Looks like it's just gonna dump, man.
Apple extends gains to 1%.
In my opinion, is still holding on the 21 EMA. At any moment, we can like ran up.
Yeah,
Especially
like that's
if
why I'm
oil
still
start
holding
going.
long. Like if buyers decide to push it, it's going like far up. But if it fails here, it's probably gonna drop at least 70 points, I think. Oh, they might do it. They're trying. My stop is right here. Save me, bulls. Save me, bulls. Ooh, ES just swept the low. NASDAQ hasn't yet. Is it gonna hold? The moment of truth. Oh, the fighting. $250. Hold the line. The moment of truth. Sellers trying to make their attempt. Oh man. This is not looking great, guys. It's probably gonna sweep. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty much the final trade for me, guys. We're gonna be back on Monday pretty much with that. Let me see here. Yeah. The TPTs are still live, but they're a little bit emotionally damaged. I think we have, I'm actually not sure if we have Apexes live. We'll have to check later. Apexes we might have live. But yeah, TPTs we have live. My funded futures we have live. And Apex is probably hit with that one.
Emotional damage.
Emotional
What's
damage,
hard to
man.
do, man? What happened, bro? Like at some point something went wrong, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I kind of went full long mode, targeting way above TP1. And I guess Hopium on this descending channel for the breakout. Like, I think at some point it's gonna break out, but
US
it might
7-year
even be
Treasury
now.
yields rise 10 basis points to
Anyways,
4.41% on
Leo,
the
you
day.
ready to take over, brother?
Brother, I'm taking over for a little while, but like my health is not at the best place, but I'm taking over.
You could not. It's fine.
Well, I'll stay for like another 1 to 2 hours. What do you
Okay.
think about that?
Sounds good.
Then you open
Watch
the
this.
open
Watch this actually be the breakout now, bro. We got hard oil rejection. Dude, look where my stop was, by the way. My stop was 246. It went to 239 or 240. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 brothers and sisters. From where I got stopped out, it just ran 90 points. Oh, mamma mia. Mamma mia, Pasha got us stopped out. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna start the weekend early. Appreciate all you guys. Leo's gonna. Are
Yeah,
you
I'm live.
You're live now? Okay. So I'm gonna
I'm live.
end my stream here, and Leo's gonna pop on your screen. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Appreciate all y'all. God bless. Trade safe. It's a Friday. You don't need to ruin your week like I potentially did with that little bit over leveraged trade, but appreciate all y'all. Take care. Have a great weekend.
Don't go away. We'll be here.
Yeah, don't go away. Leo staying. Yeah, don't go away. Leo staying. Let's see if this works.
Let's see, like the moment of truth. Yeah, I'm in.
You're in? Here we go. Wait, there's a goat trophy? What? Ochoa sent a goat trophy.
What is
How
that?
does that work? I have no idea. I pressed like on it
Where?
on the YouTube chat.
Ooh, trove gold for 1,000 jewels. Nice, thank you, Ochoa. No, I'm green on the funded, and I'm $30 up on the TPT eval. Yeah, but like the transition,
Bro,
it worked.
it's only this channel that like literally get a goat trophy for hitting max loss limit.
Oh my god.
Anyways, I'm gonna go run some errands, do some stuff. Appreciate you, Leo. Don't stream more than than you're able to.
No, no problem. I'll be here like as much as I can.
Okay. Yeah. Good luck, brother.
Thank you.
Good luck. I
Thank
guess
you, thank
next
you.
week's time for the bangers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Take care, bro.
See you, man. Are you guys listening okay? Everything's good? How you doing, Panais? Thank you, Conrad, for the feedback. Ento, how you doing, my brother? How did I do until now? Like, I sent a picture on the win column. I'm like 300 and something up on the funded. I passed 150k eval today, and I'm $30 up on the TPT. Hello, Fosco. Ento, I didn't have lunch. Already, like still, like at some point I'll stop for to eat something. What else? I'll be long here. I'm maintaining long. Like if it breaks down, it's okay, but I'm maintaining long. Like there's a lot of buyers around the EMA, so unless it breaks, like I'm maintaining along. Now the oil is kind of inclined to the upside, so that is actually no bueno. But like oil is inclined to the upside. Look at that. New lows for the day, maybe. Some buyers stepping in. Um, hmm. Sometimes new lows for the day. You currently live in Brazil? Yeah, I currently live in Brazil, man. Santa Catarina, man. Do you know Brazil? Panais. I'm lucky that my woman is not at home. Why? Why, brother? Why you're lucky? You should be unlucky when she's not at home. Till now, I have 44 trades of scalping. I lost many opportunities, but still positive. That's good. Yambi, what funded do you prefer? Brother, I'm a fan of Apex, and I like TPT. TPT for me is the best one. Take Profit Trader. If you have like, let's say, 5 TPTs on, 150Ks or 50Ks, depend of what you prefer. That's the goal. Nice take profit right there. I don't know if it's going to break, guys. Like actually, there's this little trend right here. I'm preferring the longs because of how the EMAs are setting up and the amount of buyers, and the push up was greater than the push down. Like let me mark out the 50% of the day. Like if it falls beneath 50% of the day, then I stop going for longs, you know? And I'm waiting for this trend line right here. Push up for Pasha, I'm staying long. Are you long now? Yeah, I was on a long. You're getting your vitamin C and D, brother. I don't know if I know I don't know if you bro, those vitamins, I wish I was taking them, but my vitamin levels are all good. It's just like it's changing seasons, and these like common colds, they spread like easily. And my wife, like she works at like hospital, you know, a lot of kids all day, so she always gets it. She always gets like these colds every time the season changes, and I get as well. I get it as well. Lucid best by far. Yeah, Trace. I like Lucid rules. TPT and Lucid. Yeah, there are similar rules, I think. Nish just came back from a 2-week break and lost an eval. What a way to come back. Oh, brother. I'm jumping into chatting session if anyone wants to come in on the Discord. FEMA up for 50 to eval TPT in each session. Awesome. Otherwise, I don't know. Oh, if she was if she was there, you would not be on the live stream, Panais.
Hello, Leo.
Good morning. Good morning. How you guys doing? Good morning. Good morning. How you guys doing?
Well, for me, it's evening, but anyway.
Oh, Panais,
Good
nice to talk to you, man. How you doing, brother? First time talking to you. I'm
Yeah, I wanted to talk with you after all this time, but yeah, I don't
nice.
have time.
A pleasure. Like the first question is, I'm pronouncing your name right? Like I'm pronouncing your name right?
Actually, my name is Panayotis. Is a Greek name.
Yeah,
but,
I figured.
Panais is like a nickname.
Oh, but it sounds like Panais. I'm calling you right.
Yeah, Panais. Or you can just call me Panos.
Panos.
Shorter.
Okay, Panos.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Right.
So once it's morning, I can still say bon dia, right?
Yeah, like we just passed like half of day, but you can say bon dia still. I did not eat lunch.
I have a few colleagues that they are from Brazil or Portugal and also Spain, and yeah, they speak similar. But yeah, okay, the
Nice.
Spain with the Portuguese, they
Yeah,
are
it's
close.
close.
Yeah, but yeah, it's different dialect actually.
Yeah, so we actually broke up here. Yeah, Pasha was like he was on the right trade for the longs, but like not, I don't know, like he did not have luck with that sweep down. Tracion is just too honest every time. Oh. No, Pasha won't get mad. Yeah, instant sellers showing up right now.
Yeah, but there is still volatility. Actually, there is still volume based on what I see, and also yeah, of course, sellers will try to take that position, but there is still volume, and maybe you want to go a little bit higher. I don't know.
Yeah, like I think we're going to grind up right now. Like if I was going to bet, I was going to bet on a little grind up on the NQ. But S&P did not break up. Did not broke up like it.
Oil prices rise more than $3 a barrel on fears of renewed US-Iran combat.
Bunch of sellers again. I guess you can kind of see a trend line. Oh. Here. Let me get out of the push to talk thing. Okay. Yeah, today I used the 1 minute chart a lot, man. A lot.
Yeah, based on this volatility that it was right now, with this volume, yeah, with 1 minute you can see, but still you don't have the clear picture. Well, it depends. Right now, in 1 minute, what we see is like a small consolidation, right? Because it goes up and down, so it's not clear. So for me, I'm not sure, if I need to take a trade, long or short right now.
Omar, yeah. Yeah, the financial juice guy is not speaking. Yeah, go ahead, Omar. I just don't know if you are going to be able to speak, but Tips, how you doing, my friend? Yeah, I was thinking about joining the NQ long at 305, but did not pull the trigger. My goal today is like to make like, let's say 500 on this eval, because I have a few more days to trade and I'm very close to target. Chilling in Istanbul. Let me go in to see if we have a new instant rejection. Yeah, this price section, like, it's actually complicated to trade, like, in my opinion. It's a little bit complicated to trade. Like, the range that the candles are moving is big, so like this push down right here was 30 points out like in a second, you know. So if you like go in like 2 or 3 micros, it's really easy to be like 300-400 bucks down. Let's see if we can do a better average at this trade. Trading around VWAP is never good also. Getting pinned for OPEX. OPEC. Yes, TRD, my apexes are 50k. Yeah, my flu like today I had my I cannot speak like loud at all. I have to speak like this. Like the throat is hurting a lot. But I'm taking meds to try to counter it, but like it takes like 4 or 5 days to be good. Let's see if we break this thing up. Like the target that I had was basically from the first range, you know, from here to here, and using like the fibs to extend to the upside. So the target is at around 416. So like I think 409, 405 is enough. Oil is trying to push down. S&P is trying to push up. Let's see if NQ has the strength to break out of this range. But in my opinion, I don't know what you guys think, but this is clearly a higher low and higher highs right now. So but there's a lot of sellers. Like look at the wicks. They are all aligned around here. Probably getting out. Like the wicks all align here. So this can be a range, you know? And if it breaks, then I get in again. Little by little. Cachaça with lime and honey. Yeah, I'm drinking honey. Lime can help, but the cachaça I'll be out of that. Options expiration date. Typically the price floats. Yeah, Killer Slug. I don't understand that much. That is something that I need to learn. Maybe you're the one that's going to teach me, brother. I know just like the very basics of how options works. Like 10 years in, and I don't understand what like. It's a shame actually that I know this little about options. This is the graveyard range for longs. Yeah, first scalps was very good. Like I was taking scalps around the EMAs. It worked a lot, like because the scalps were huge, you know. Like if I got in, like at some point I think I got in at 268, and 40 points was just this candle closing green, you know. So it was a good scalping range. Like one thing that is for certain, we are not in a strong trend. So the scalping in the direction of the movement, it's probably the right answer. The good thing is that any scalp today is 30-40 points because it's moving a lot. So it's a little bit of a dilemma. Like we're not trending, we should be scalping, but the scalps are good, you know. Like 20-30 points is instant moves. A bunch of sellers again, but I'm not comfortable taking shorts. Like with the EMAs inclined like this and we trading above the view up, I'm not comfortable taking shorts. Oil is like trying to aim to the upside again. You short, not having a good time? Yeah, I was about to ask you, like, how was your day? Because I guess, like, in a day like today, it's not good for same day options, I guess.
US 10-year Treasury yields rise 10 basis points to 4.58% on the day.
Double high, maybe. It was a decent morning, gave some back. Mostly just waiting for this to die. Okay. Dima, up to $1,200 on oil. And RTY, done for the day. Awesome. Yeah, this 200 DMA right here. Like, this 200 DMA right here is like, seems to be where it is rejecting. Like, if it breaks, probably squeezes. Like, the first target is, let me put it here, 415. And the next one is for, actually 500. See how much rejection it gets around the 200 DMA, especially on a down movement like today. What about ES? Let me see. ES is making, it's not even attempting to break highs anymore. Yeah, oil looks like he wants a new high for the day, you know. Not for the day, but like for the New York session. What is this music? It's really good. Like it's a playlist on Epidemic Sound. Like it's free copyrighted music. Do you think there will be dump after option expires? Man, I really don't understand options, but like what I can say, like as of this moment, I'm only looking for longs. If it's going to dump, the price action is going to show. Oh, today's the last day for the take profit 50% off. Fishman, happy Friday, brother. May God bless you with your safe and healthy weekend. You too, man. Short squeeze the like button 100%, brother. Thank you very much for your support. I'm buying here again. Like I'll try to build a position on the longs. I guess I'm getting a not good entry, but the range is too big actually to build a position. Let me see. Yeah, this trade is not looking good. Like I'll have a big drawdown. Yeah, I entered too early. Okay. Yeah, oil is squeezed up. This is a round where buyers are stepping in, so maybe we get something out of it. It's too early of an entry. I entered too early. Let's see if it bounces out of the 50. It's strange because we are trading around the view up. Yeah, no, I don't like this trade. I have to get out. Feels like it's been trading forever, Lynette. Yeah, like when the price action is so sideways like it is right now, like the time passes very, very slow. I don't know if this is some type of news again. Samuel, hey Leo, hope you're feeling better. Yeah, I'm a little bit better. Actually, today I was worse, but I'm taking some meds and it is kind of working. Like this is where I should go low Should have waited to go long.
US 5-year Treasury yields rise 10 basis points on the day to 4.25%.
I guess that at some point the character of the day, like how the day is behaving, will change. I guess that at some point that will happen, but like right here is where buyers should step in. If they break this, like then it's no good, no long good on the long side. Had it been able to close above initial balance? Yeah. Hadn't? Okay. Trade is working. Let's see if it keeps working. That's the thing. Samuel, I've been helping fight the fire for the past 2.5, not being able to trade anything yet. Whoa, stay safe, brother. Like you're a firefighter? What is happening? Or is a metaphorical fire? What is going on, brother? Yeah, sellers are breaking the 50 MA. This is no good. This is not good. Because it can run a lot. So I have to decide very quickly if I'm wrong or not. Like the 50% range of the day, sometimes it holds. Let me see if it's going to hold or not.
US oil hits intraday high, trades near $105.50 a barrel.
Yeah, oil is squeezing up and I don't know the reason. So that scares me. Yeah, I'm getting out of the trades. Like this trend line right here that I was looking at, like it broke, like we're trading at the half point of the day right now. But I'm going to track this price action on the 1 minute. Because like it failed to do a new sweep up and it's reversing on the time frame, on the lower time frame. Like at this point right here is where buyers stepped in every time, you know. It's from here that they push this up, 1, 2, but like now looks different. Looks like it may test the low of the day, yeah. Yeah, it's breaking. Yeah, Sluggy was short. Do you think it will keep holding 5-minute fair value gap? I don't even know where they're. This 5-minute here, like it looks like it's breaking. Looks like it's breaking actually. 4 red candles in a row with the bodies like considerably big. That's a change of the character of the day, you know. Samuel, let me see. Oh, brother. Awful, man. I work properly maintenance full time, but I'm also volunteers just so I've only had electrical fire one time or the properties. Oh, understood, man. Like, it's good that you guys got it under control, but like the damage is it's not good. A lot of buyers at the middle point of the day. Like, that's basically the trade that I was looking for. You know? Yeah, this 1 hour looks ugly, you know? Looks like it wants to drop even more. Like, and it's about to close like this. I joined the short to see if there's rejection out of the EMAs. Like, it's kind of working already, but never know. I'm going to deleverage one and see if it breaks down. Oil is kind of rejecting as well. Maybe it's just a pullback before the 1 hour closes. You're right, EMFX. Nice, man. It's still holding, kinda. Yeah, like I'm taking shorts because we are below the EMAs, below the 200 on the one. If it starts pulling up again, I just get out of the trade. I just jump out of the trade. No news on financial juice happening, man. Zero. If it breaks above 305, I probably should get out. Like, it looks like it's going to do that. Actually, like my first intention was to hold a trade around the middle of the day, but didn't work. This looks like a sweep and reverse kind of deal. My stop loss is at a horrible place. Let's see how that 1 hour closed. Oh, it actually end up closing green. Just a pullback before breaking lows. Yeah, the only problem is that I'm actually not in a good spot right now. Hof AM trades. What EMAs do I have in my chart? Like this is the full thing, you know. Is the 9, 21, 50 EMAs, 200, and VWAP. And of course, I get a stop out and it goes my way. That's 100%. Nice till Monday. Yeah. I was in a trade, brother. Got instant stop out and reversed in my way. Going to try the shorts again. Like yeah, this 100% looks like it's going to squeeze up again. Let's see. You believe we're bullish all day? Yeah, that can be true. Like oil is trading above 100 again. Yeah, like right now I'm trying to trade a trend in a sideways market. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to trade this as if there's a trend to the downside, and there is not. We are actually sideways. You know, that's a mistake that I'm making right here. But as I'm already in the trade, so it's better to wait it out. Okay, let's see if it breaks down. I think to the middle of the range is enough just to recover. Oil is still pushing. Lola, see you. Have a great weekend, you as well. Add some sun to make you feel better. Yeah, like the problem is there's not much sun right now. Like it's cloudy days, a little bit cold, a little bit raining. Chris Cree, you blew up your personal account but made 2K in the eval. It's a 50K, you're almost passing it, I guess. You need help? Yeah, brother, send me a DM on the Discord. Bro, go long? Maybe. But if I go long and the price go down, like what I'm going to do? The matter of fact is like price is not going anywhere, guys. Like if you say go long and if you say go short, like it doesn't matter because price is in a range, you know. So what it matters is like, is your stop long enough so we can go your way, or
Manchester's Burnham's UK Parliament run,
or did you like enter in a good spot to catch like the range movement? That's the stuff. Like. Like look at the price section. Like we are in a range market, you know. If I'm making a mistake, that I'm trying to trade this as a trend and it's actually a range market. That's the mistake I'm making. Like a big pullback on oil. I think this is going to squeeze up again. So it's basically a zero trade. Keep an eye on the 5-minute fair value gap. I'm looking at that, brother. Like, it's just that, to me, that's less important right now. This is the 5-minute, man. It's on the screen, bro. I'm going long. I'm going to try to take this trade to view up. Like we got below the 50 MA and now we are above again. So if it breaks down, like awesome. But I guess I figured that, oh my god, my ear. I figured that the next 5-minute candle can be green. Yeah, so like I was in a short and it was not playing. And I changed to the longs and it's not playing. Like, where's the guy that told me to go long, bro? Like now you don't appear, bro. Short's about to print. Yeah, I'm believing that too, but someone told me to go long, you know? And now he goes quiet. Like, it's easy to say go long and your stop loss is your whole account. You know? Like, go long and if it doesn't work, your stop loss is your whole account. Not worth to trade today? Yeah, that's actually true. It's not worth to trade today. Staying short until 180. Yeah. Like there's no momentum. Like if you enter anywhere, price is not going anywhere. And the range is big enough so if you're wrong, it goes 30-40 points against you easily. You know? It is not financial advice. Yeah, 100%. I have to eat, brother.
So a US State Department official cited by Al Jazeera says the atmosphere of the second day of the Lebanon-Israel talks is extremely positive and exceeded expectations.
Yeah, this price section. This is an eval minus 500 bucks. I have $6,200 worth of drawdown. The problem is that there's no continuation, you know, there's zero continuation, zero. Like any signs that you get, like any entries that you get, like it just does not continue. So I guess how can I trade? Like I cannot trade against what I'm seeing, you know? I cannot take trades against what I'm seeing. Rather, my ears is hurting. Oil rejecting like crazy. Like this part section's like I don't like the word that I have to describe this price action. I cannot say on the stream, but you guys figure. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to end up the day like 590 bucks down on the eval. I still have like 6100 bucks off drawdown. I don't care to trade this price action right here. Like I don't care to trade this price action at all. I think we gave you another 1 hour of live stream, and I urge you guys to start your weekend early as well. I'm going to like fly into the sunset into the weekend. Hope I get better over the weekend. Like I'm struggling to speak right now, you know, struggling a lot to speak right now. Killer's Lug, thank you, my friend. Hobart, thank you, my brother. NASDAQ Stan. Thank you, Ren Cooper. Trading pennies. Like, look at the price action. Look at the 5 minute. Look at the 15 minutes. Like, look at the 15 minutes. Like, it's a guessing game. It's a guessing game. Like, it's you best to flip a coin and whatever like you match it, you go, you know. If someone comes in and says like, oh, the price action is doing this and that and this and that, then of course we're going up. Like, BS, you know. BS. Conrad, thank you, my friend. Mac G, thank you, brother. Killer's Luck, thank you. Ren Cooper, Trading Pennies, FEMA, Lynette, all the mods, thank you very much. All of you that were green on the week, awesome. All of you that are red on the week, like next week we can be better, we can do better. I'll try to learn from my mistakes this week. It's basically 2 weeks in a row that I'm sideways, like didn't make money, did not lose money. Basically 2 weeks in a row. So, you know, let's see. Next week it will be better. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing to the stream. That helps a lot. Hit the like button on the way out. That helps a lot. And oh yeah, I just forgot. Like, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/PashaIRL and start using the spreadsheet and give us feedback. The link is on the chat. Like the spreadsheet's free. I just need you guys to use it, because one day we want to make that spreadsheet into a website, you know. But I need you guys feedback. Like, if it sucks, say it sucks. Like, we need, or if you have ideas, give me ideas. And if you want to support, you can support there too on the buymeacoffee.com/PashaIRL. Coffee is spelled coffee with one E. Okay. I guess it was 2 E's. Need to add Lucid. Yeah, brother. Like, you guys need to ask Lucid to be partners with the stream. That's the main thing that you guys need to do. Alexander, bro, I made so many mistakes with this week, and now it all started because I wanted to make another 20 bucks. Thank you, Trace Young. On live account, I feel like holding literally until next Friday. Yeah, brother. Yeah, subscribe to the stream, hit the like button, that helps a lot. I'll see you guys Monday probably with the New York session. Pasha will be back, I'll be back. You guys take care, you know. Thank you very much again and again. See you guys. Why didn't you wait for the candle to
Just
finish?
keeping an eye on the markets here.
Have a
Dollar
good one.
index
Have a
holding
good one.
gains
I
up
didn't
by
wait because I feel like
0.4%.
was the right answer was to pull out, to get out of the trade. Yeah. See you guys. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, Sunday. We'll probably have a Sunday open stream. I was forgetting that. So Sunday open, Asia session. We'll be back here. See you guys. Sunday open. Thank you very much. I'll try to get better.